is a very generous person.
That's good.
He just frugal himself,
Right.
Yeah.
but he is very generous to me,
Yes.
to my
Perfect.
family,
Yeah.
and to
Yeah,
my mother family. So
Right.
it's okay.
Right.
And after almost near 40 years marriage life,
Mhm.
I learned how to be a frugal person like my husband because frugal habit
Right.
is a very good behavior.
That's a nice
Yeah.
you spend
You know,
Yeah.
the more frugal my husband is, the more money I have. Why not?
So,
Okay.
okay.
So, answer the first one question. Maybe saving is very important because the more money I save, the more security I have.
Yeah. That's correct.
Yeah, that's my answer. And I have another answer about this question one. Not only we need to have the more money, more saving, yeah, okay, but you know, as you say that, the healthy condition is very important.
Right.
You know, money even is very important, but the healthy condition is more important than money, especially both mind health
Right.
and not just our body healthy. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my answer.